Hello class, we continue chapter 4 carbon and its compounds. The topic is 4.2.2 chains, branches and rings of hydrocarbon. To understand these chains, branch and rings, first we take example of butane. The formula of butane, as you know, C4H10. First, we consider the skeleton, that is, four carbons are linked by a single covalent bond. This is called the skeleton of butane. Now, in order to satisfy the valency, 10 hydrogen atoms are arranged in this manner. You can see here that tetravalency of each carbon is satisfied by a single bond. So, in this structure, this is saturated hydrocarbon, which is unbranched. A long chain is seen. Now, let us see the branched structure of butane. First hydroskeleton, look here carefully. Now, to satisfy valency by a single bond, the first two carbons, branched carbons, are connected by single bond with 3 hydrogen atoms. And the same here. You can see the difference. This is simple long chain of carbon, saturated structure. This is also saturated structure, but branch is there. Both are butanes. Their physical property may different, but chemical property is almost same. So they are called structural isomers. Structural isomers. So this is the example of branched chain of hydrocarbon. The same you can explain for propane, pentane, hexane, etc. Now let us understand rings of hydrocarbon with example of hexane. Look at the skeleton. In the skeleton, 6 carbon atoms are arranged themselves in a structure of ring. Only single valency is satisfied, right? So 3 valency is unsatisfied. For this carbon, 2 valencies are satisfied. For this carbon, 2 valencies are satisfied. And for each carbon, 2 valencies are satisfied. So remaining 2 valencies are satisfied by single bond with hydrogen atoms. So 6 carbon atoms and 10 hydrogen atoms form a cyclic structure. This structure is called cyclohexane. Cyclohexane. Another structure which is very important and fundamental with six carbon atoms, but it is unsaturated structure called benzene, in which you can see there are single bond as well as double bond between the successive carbon atoms. So friends, here 6 carbon atoms arrange themselves in a structure of ring with single bond and double bond successively. So to satisfy the remaining valency, hydrogen atom is connected with each carbon by a single bond. This structure is called benzene. Benzene is a very fundamental molecule, compound of hydrocarbon in organic chemistry. The symbol of benzene is represented like this. This circle at the center of this hexagon indicate that the double bonds between the two carbons are not stable, but they changes periodically. Medicines, perfumes and many other chemicals that we use in our daily life, they are derivatives of benzene.